Gerald's dividing a 6 3/4 foot long board into 3 equal lengths. All those threes get me going. And how long is each piece in inches? So first of all, we start with fractions here. Then we move to measurements of feet and inches. So lots of combination things going on here. Let's take a look at this problem, see what it's going to look like. All right. So you've got this 6 3/4 foot long board that you're going to divide into 3 equal lengths. So what I'm going to start off here first with, just what does that mean to us there? It basically says we're going to take this fraction, this mixed number, if you will, 6 3/4, and we want to divide it into 3 equal pieces, all right? So you can picture this as like the saw goes through the board and it takes out 1 and 2, and then you've got 3 pieces remaining. They all should be the same length. So what we want to know is, how much should that be? Each of those lengths should be. Don't worry about how width it is, because it's going to be the same width if it's a nice squared off rectangular board type thing. All right, so let's see what's going on here. We got 6 3/4 we're going to divide by 3. You know, we tell students not to try to divide 3 into 3/4 and divide 3 into 6. Now that's going to happen here, so to speak, but I'm going to go along with what most people do, and we're going to use those good old improper fractions. Let's see what's going to happen here. All right, so I have 6 3/4. And I'm going to make that into an improper fraction, all right? So let's see what we've got here. We've got, 6 times 4, which is going to be 24. Add 3 to that. Remember how we do that, folks? We get 27, and that's going to be divided by 4, all right? Once again, 6 times 4 gives us 24. Add the 3. You get 27 over 4. Now, when we divide by 3, we're going to put a 1 underneath that thing. We're going to make this thing work a little bit easier for us. And you know what we're going to end up with? We're going to multiply that thing by its reciprocal. That's the rule for division of fractions. In other words, when we divide by 3, it's like multiplying by 1/3. It's taking 1/3 of this amount, all right? Now, you can go ahead and write this as 27 times 1, which gives you 27, and 4 times 3, which will give you 12. Reduce it down, but you know what? We got a little cancellation game going on here. We can divide our 3 into 27, and it's going to give us 9 left over here, 1 down here, cancellation. Divide 3 into 9. You can't divide 3 into 9, can you? You can divide 3 into 27, you get 9, and 3 into 3 gives us the 1. Now, what are we left with? Looks like 9 times 1, which is easy. That's 9 over 4, and that is going to give us, go in there, 2 1/4. Now, that's feet. That is feet, 2 1/4 feet. It says, the final answer says, let's get each piece in inches, all right? So let's think about it. There are 12, yes, count them, 12 inches in a foot. You know that. You all know that, right? So we can do this a couple of ways. We can take this 2 times 12 and then take 1/4 of 12, add the results, because this is basically 2 plus 1/4, multiply both of those times 12, all right? Or we can just do it all in one lump. How about it? Let's try the 2 1/4. And see what we've got here. Feet. And we're going to multiply that times 12 over 1 and come up with a certain amount of inches. All right. So here we go. Running through here. How about it? How about we've got, looks like, 8 plus 1 is going to give me 9 over 4. That sounds familiar. That's what it's just we had before we made 2 1/4. How about it? And we're going to multiply by 12 over 1. And let's kick this thing out. All right. Let's divide 4 into 4 goes 1 time, 4 into 12 goes 3 times. Guess what we got? Looks like a 27, and those are inches. All right, 27 inches. Now, remember what I said? We could possibly distribute. We could do this. We could take 2 times 12, which is what a lot of you probably did, and take 1/4 times 12. That would be the little 1/4 of a foot that we've got to deal with. And you know, we get 24 plus 3, which also gives us 27. So either way you want to do it, folks, that's your transition. That's how you get it. You can do it one lump. That's what's great about mixed numbers times a whole number here. Or you can do a distributed property, which is great also.
For more math help, visit TNLearn.org.